守株待兔, waiting for a hare by a stump. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who worked hard in his field every day. One day, while the farmer was resting under a tree, he saw a hare run by. The hare was running so fast that it tripped and hit a tree stump. The hare died instantly. The farmer was overjoyed. He thought to himself, I don't need to work so hard anymore. I can just wait here by the tree stump and catch more hares. So the farmer sat by the tree stump every day waiting for a hare to come, but no hares came. His field became overgrown with weeds, and his crops withered and died. The farmer finally realized that he had been foolish. He learned that you cannot rely on luck and that you must work hard to achieve your goals. This story is a fable that teaches the importance of hard work and perseverance. It is a reminder that we cannot expect to achieve anything worthwhile without putting in the effort. The idiom 守株待兔 literally translates to holding guarding a tree stump and waiting for a hare. It is used to describe someone who passively waits for an opportunity to come to them instead of actively pursuing it. It can also be used to describe someone who relies on luck or chance instead of hard work and effort. Here are some examples of how 守株待兔 can be used in a sentence. 他总是守株待兔，从来不主动寻找机会。He always waits for opportunities to come to him and never actively seeks them out. 如果你想成功，就不能守株待兔。If you want to succeed, you can't just sit around and wait for things to happen. 他的成功不是靠守株待兔，而是靠努力奋斗。Her success is not due to luck, but to hard work and perseverance. 守株待兔 is often used in a negative context to criticize someone for being lazy or unrealistic. However, it can also be used in a more neutral context to describe someone who is patiently waiting for the right opportunity.